Hey everybody, what's crack-a-lack and shit-clack-clacks? My name is Gregory, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm currently out here at Alum freaking Creek, and it's like a freaking, well, it was a freaking blizzard this morning, so it's like snow and ice everywhere. It's a pretty sight, but David has got me out here while he's bird watching. Like, he takes pictures of birds and stuff, and it's like a hobby that he does, and he's really good at it. But I'm just here for the free food because he's gonna buy me dinner. He said he'd buy me dinner if I went with him, but where's he at? I don't know. He's not here. And there's my fiance tracking back. Yeah, look at that face. Welcome back. Did you get your bird? Yeah. Oh, these people are serious. They are whipping out the news cameras for a duck. Guess where we are? IKEA. I had never been to IKEA before until they came here to Columbus last summer. David, had you been to IKEA prior?
A million times.
Going in the slidey doors. Alright, y'all, we's here. We's here. We're on a mission to get a brand new dish set for our kitchen. I didn't even know this was an option. It's like, well, you had to go up the escalators. Do we need a cart? Oh my god, I need this mixing bowl in my life. How much is this? Doesn't say. Oh. Wait, is that the price? Is this $2.49?
Yeah.
Do you want it?
We have bowls. We have two now.
Yeah, but this is huge in glass.
We have a huge glass one just like that. We just got it.
But this is cute.
No, we don't need that.
I'm getting it.
It has a high rim.
I'm getting it. Huh?
Okay, it has a high rim. I'll give you that.
You're a high rim.
Oh.
Okay, I actually really like this color right here, but I think we're gonna go with white. I think it's probably cheaper to buy a set even. You wanna do pink?
No.
Well, why not? It's like a big wall. The Great Wall of China. So I'm actually really feeling this color, especially because we're doing like sage green, like accent walls. And this is an 18-piece set for $25. But I also really like the white. How much is that one?
$20.
For 18 pieces?
Yeah.
But how do we like the bowls? Are there like individual bowls?
Yeah, I like them.
Oh, I like them too. What?
We treat ourselves to this.
I want new silverware. Our spoons are way too big.
Oh, those ones.
These are
Look at these little
$40.
spoons.
Ooh, what is up with that spoon? I don't like it. What is this? Oh, this is cool. It's like magnetic. Wait, is it? It is. What is this? Pillow in a bag. You can have like a killer pillow fight with this. Hurt like a... I like it though. Ooh, somebody mixed the reds with the whites. What do you want to look at? Ooh, goodness. Hey, babe. Look at this cart. It just goes sideways. Oh. So smooth.
Alexis, what about this?
Oh my god, look at these. We have like an obsession with fake plants all of a sudden. Especially, what are they called?
Succulent.
Succulents. Why you look so evil when you say that?
Succulent.
Succulents. We have to show them the plant. The Dom plant. Are these real? Oh, I like these too. These look like they're on their deathbed. This is my favorite plant in the store. It's called the Dom plant. It's only 20 bucks. You want to get it? Or do you just want to come back after we move? So we don't have to pack it too. I like that one. Gotta document everything.
I don't ruin your vlog by not eating here.
We're going back in. I get to push it this time. Oh, never mind. They have it set up to where if you go downstairs first and get merchandise, you have to like purchase it and then leave and then go upstairs. This is my favorite part of the store because you have like all these living room setups and kitchen setups and whatnot. Have you guys ever been to IKEA? If you have, let me know in the comments. IKEA, leave me alone. Leave a message in the comments and let me know.
Click the link to subscribe.
So I heard that they have like all you can eat for like $13, but
We'll see about that.
we will see about that. I don't know. So there's like the three. They got pulled pork, chicken meatballs, an add bowl of super salad for $1.99. They also have salmon fillet, chicken cordon bleu. IKEA is getting fancy with some cordon bleu. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap this up and eat my food. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Give us a bye.